If you're a medical student drowning in textbooks, you need a life raft. Let a pet monkey be your guide to mastering heart sounds fast. Ready to ace those exams? Let's dive into the anatomy of heart sounds using the handy mnemonic, a pet monkey. A stands for aortic. Remember, it's right of the sternum at the second intercostal space. Moving on to P for pulmonic, located at the left sternal border in the second intercostal space. Next is E for Erb's point. Catch this sound at the left third intercostal space. T is for tricuspid, just one space down, at the left fourth intercostal space. Finally, M for mitral, located in the left fifth intercostal space along the mid-clavicular line. Simple, right? Remember, a pet monkey is your shortcut to pinpointing those heart sounds accurately and efficiently. Save this mnemonic, share this video with your classmates, and don't forget to like and follow for more quick medical tips. Master the art of auscultation and make your studies a breeze.